What is up, my friends? It's raining. It's a shitty weekend, and I think I'll clean out the man cave. Just found out some settings on my video editing software where I can do some green screen. It's time to start playing with that shit and clean out the garage. Yeah, I got all kinds of stuff to do. You see my shadow? You see where the doggy chewed a hole in the seat? Mm-hmm. You see the new tire right here for it? We got to put that on there. Do something with the seat. Buy a new seat because the old lady doesn't like riding on that little bitty ass thing right there anyway. So yeah. Let's see here. Yeah. Sorry if you don't like it. Yep. We got I got some plants that I had put up. I gotta do a swimming pool over here. Gotta put that up later. Not today, a couple of weeks from now. But let me show you the man cave. Because the man cave we're fixing to turn into a studio. And me and my buddy Albert, Elo, is going to take care of that shit. And we're going to have our own little thing. Another YouTube channel, it looks like. And it'll be some fun. Let me show you what's going on. Yeah. Got the garage semi straightened out. Now, the man's cave. This is where I used to have my silk screen press. Fixing to have that in here again. I think I'm fixing to buy another one. Fixing to get rid of the drums. The boy can come pick them up because I'm done with my drumming. Yeah, man. We used to have the PlayStation here, 4-foot TV. The PlayStation, have it dark, have the AC going, you know, a little fan right there. Just, oh, it was so awesome. And then the green bulb went out. Yeah. Lot of long nights of Far Cry out here. I got this big ass Jägermeister flag from back in the days when I was promoting music. I think I'm going to give that away. Or trade it for something. You got something you think you might want to trade for? I think it's what, 8 foot? Yeah, 8 by 5 maybe foot Jaeger flag. Offer me something. Let's see what's gonna go on. Yeah, I got mementos from shows I promoted over the years. Printed that. Pretty badass local band did that for me. And then there was the last show I did. It was a 3rd anniversary show. The last show I did at a place called The Village that's no longer here anymore. It was a giant dome in Little Rock. And we had like 8 bands or so. A lot of bands anyway. Everybody signed it. It was really nice of them. And, oh, dude, I met him. Yeah, he's a cool guy. And then the baddest band on the planet ever, Monoxide Project, signed that for me. And yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, we're going to get rid of a lot of this stuff. We are fixing to make a studio out here. We're going to turn this into an artsy center. All art. So yeah, I'll be giving you brief updates on that. Me and my buddy Elo are going to do that. I will be doing some work on this, as I said. Yeah. First, though, yeah, I'm going to cut this tree up. 2 trees. I had somebody knock them down because one of them was about to fall on the house. So, yeah, that's where we're at. Just for a little bit. I'm going to cut the tree down. Alright. No. Since it's been raining so much, let's listen to some Finding Jimmy Hoffa. Rain Will Fall. One of my favorite songs. Love the way it starts.
I love the way that love slaps you in the face. The way it brings you down. You think you got everything in life figured out, but it knocks you to the ground. hides behind the clouds, and hear the thunder call. Will darken the rest of your days. Well, Lord knows the rain will fall. I love having everything that I have ever wanted. Somehow life takes it home. I give up everything that I have ever loved, just to dance before the fall. The sun hides behind the clouds, and hear the thunder call. Darken the rest of your days. Lord knows the rain will fall. Slaps you in the face, the way it brings you down. Well, sun behind the clouds, and hear the thunder go. Darken the rest of the day.
It's starting to rain. I think that's enough for one day. Made a dent though.
Little doggy.